Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to talk about some new goodies that I got from Born Pretty store, and of course if you haven't subscribed yet I would really love for you guys to do so and become a part of my little nail family. But in this unboxing video I'm going to just jump right into it, like right away, don't ramble too much and just show you the goodies. So yeah, I have gotten some really cute regular nail polishes by Born Pretty store. These are in collaboration with Cat, which is actually such a cute, I think it's Korean brand. It is just adorable. Like, look at the packaging. It actually reminds me of the Hollow Taco cat polishes, but I don't think they have knocked each other off, if you know what I mean. I do think that they don't even know of each other's existence, so I don't think that one has copied the other and so on. But these are, I think I got 7 polishes. I'm not quite sure, maybe 7 or 8. You'll see that in the video. And 4 of this particular collection are actually flakies, which change in different lighting as well. I'm not quite sure how that works. If it has something to do with like UV lighting or anything like that, I still have to try these out. But the other 4 from this collection actually have a beautiful pearlescent kind of finish. And yeah, once again, I haven't tried these so far. I'm just unboxing the little envelope that I got, which actually was a really big envelope. Like, my post lady actually had to ring my doorbell, because usually the Born Pretty store packages, because I tend to get a lot of stamping plates and stuff like that, they just fit through my mailbox, but this one didn't fit. So thankfully my husband was home. He works from home since like the beginning of this year, so he was able to take it from her, because otherwise she would be like, oh my god, what do I have to do with this package? But it was a really big envelope, and that is because there's also like a plate holder in this specific unboxing video, and that actually caused the package not to go through my mailbox. And that is like a lot of rambling of my, like, about my mailbox. But here you can see all of the beautiful polishes that I got. Once again, it's a collaboration between Born Pretty store and Cat. And of course, if you want to see like an in-depth video on it or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below, because I haven't tried these and I definitely want to do some cute designs with them as well, and just find out what the light sensitive polishes are all about. And of course the packaging is really cute as well. Then of course, you guys know me, I picked out some new stamping plates as well. I got some really cute fall ones and Halloween ones. I got some by Born Pretty store, which I'm going to show you first, and I got some from Nicole Diary as well. Nicole Diary is like a separate brand, but it is sold at bornprettystore.com for really decent prices as well. By the way, the polishes, I think you can get them as like a full set for like $35 or something like that, but you can get them separately for like $4, maybe $5 each if you don't want to get all 8 of them. The stamping plates by Born Pretty store, the really small ones, like the small rectangular or round ones, are usually about $1 to $2. Then you have the medium-sized plates. Those are usually like towards $4 if I remember correctly, and you have the really big ones, like the double XL ones. Those are usually like $6 or something like that, so still really inexpensive. But this plate I'm showing you right here, I've actually used it in my pumpkin design that I shared with you guys a couple of weeks ago. And the next one is actually one of my favorite plates, but I haven't used this one yet. I just felt like it was so beautiful. The details on this plate are gorgeous, and of course on the bottom of the plate you can see which one it is exactly. If you want to have any links or anything like that, I always leave like the regular link to the page on Born Pretty store with all of these stamping items, so you can definitely find them there. But if you see any plate or anything like that in this video that you want a specific link of, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will reply to you personally with that link. And yeah, sometimes it's discontinued or sold out, so yeah, if I can't get you the link anymore because it isn't available anymore, I will let you know as well. But yeah, the next plate is actually really cute, and I have also used that in my pumpkin design that I shared a couple of weeks ago. I love it so much. It is just really cute. I love Halloween plates or any stamping plate by Born Pretty Store for that matter. Like the next one is really gorgeous as well. It has a lot of like organic shapes, forms and so on. There are some florals on here. I even feel like the bottom row with like the bigger images is more of like an under the sea kind of vibe. I don't know, I think it's really beautiful, and I think it's really cool to do some like gradient stamping on those as well to really make it more dimensional and give it a little bit more depth, if you know what I mean. Then once again I got another floral plate. I love my florals so much. Maybe I'll do like a fall floral design or something like that with one of these plates. Maybe even in combination with the skeleton and the casket kind of plate that I showed a little earlier in this video. I think they're really gorgeous. And of course all of the plates still have that blue foil on there. Make sure to remove that before you go in with your polishes, because you have to remove it, otherwise you can't pick up your images. Then the next plate is actually a really cute one that I've used in a fall design like 4 weeks ago, I think. It's been a hot minute since I shared it, but I have pre-recorded this video like 6 weeks ago or something like that. So yeah, I have already used a couple of the plates, and I actually did a gradient or ombre stamping with 1 or 2 of the images on this plate, and I loved it so much. And yes, I am going to do a full-on in-depth how to stamp and gradient stamp video, or at least how to do it and stuff like that. I've been doing stamped nail designs for so long that it's really like a no-brainer to actually do it, but I have to remind myself that not everyone has been doing stuff like this for as long as I've been doing it, and not everyone knows how to do it, what works best and so on. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do that. Once again, not sure when, because it's really busy with a lot of different projects at the moment. So yeah, I've definitely written it down on my to-do list. But yeah, let's continue with the Nicole diary plates, which I have already shared one of so far, which is a really pretty one, by the way, that round Halloween like cobweb kind of one. It was gorgeous. This one is really cute as well. Once again, very Halloweeny. I really love the spider webs or cobwebs in this one as well. I pretty much love those little ghosts, and I have used this plate in my previous pumpkin design as well, but there are a ton of different cool images on here, and a little bit like of a bigger size as well, which is great for me because my nails have been growing a lot the last couple of weeks. My nails are actually already a lot longer than they were in this video. Like, I don't know what's going on. I haven't really been doing anything special with them. I just use a little bit of hand cream on a daily basis, and every now and then a little bit of cuticle oil, and they're just growing like crazy. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. And no, I'm not pregnant or anything like that. But yeah, I don't know. They're just growing like really well lately. But yeah, that were all of the plates already. And to finish off this video, I wanted to share with you the beautiful like silver colored holographic image plate holder or stamping plate holder that I got as well. This one was around 20 bucks if I remember correctly, but I do have a discount code of 20% that you can use. It is FEM20. I always leave it in the pinned comment as well as in the description box. So if you want to use that, you're free to do so, and you can use it multiple times as well. But this plate holder is actually quite big. It does still fit all of my Nicole diary plates so far, so I feel like I have to get more of them to just fill up this entire holder. But yeah, maybe that's just the collector in me, like the nail art enthusiast, kind of like addict or hoarder. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't get all of them at once, but you know, I just love my image plates and my nail art stuff, so yeah. This was the entire unboxing video already. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I would love to see you guys in one of my next videos.